you a little tour of our Grand Design 337 RLS fifth wheel. You'll first notice as you walked in that we added this screen, which has been wonderful when you have your hands full trying to go in and out. It's magnetic, so it closes very nicely. We haven't had a lot of issues with that. It's been great. And then you want to come in here. We have our kitchen and our dining room. We got rid of the table that came with it and got a folding table so that when we're traveling, I can fold it up. It goes flat against here. We can still walk around, and so we added some blue chairs to give it some color. And we just got the Berkey. It's the Royal Berkey. It's not the travel one, but this will be going into our future home, but we wanted to use it here as well. So we've got it in the corner for the summer and looking forward to using it. And then if you notice, one of the things that sold us on this trailer was the amount of windows all on the side that we sit out, so we can sit inside and enjoy the outside just as much. And we have lots of storage up there and in the cabinets all around. We have huge pantry, which we just started upgrading the LED lights to, and we've got to get another side for this side, but so far it puts a lot more light out than the little one up there. I love this counter. I put the covers that go over the sink so that when we have lots of food, I can put a good buffet out and use that as a buffet table, as well as this. This also has a huge amount of storage in here, drawers, cabinets, and can put a lot of food on the table as well. We did upgrade the lights just a couple weeks ago to get rid of the glass that was there, and now we have the wire, which I actually have very much enjoyed. And so we'll go up to the bathroom. And coming into our bathroom, Casey is 6'2", and he can fit nicely in here, and we just did a video on this new installed shower hose, which we love. And we'll go into our master bedroom. We have the king bed. We love the king bed with the extra room for Casey, and we love the mattress that actually came with the trailer. For the first time, it was a Serta, and it's been wonderful. We have a very nice large closet that we can fit a washer and dryer in if we wanted to. We haven't yet. I don't know if we will or not, but there is enough space in there. And then this is Casey's work table for the week when he's here working during the week, and converts this TV into his computer and does his work. And then it's our dresser with lots of room for clothes and storage up here on top. Hope you enjoyed this video of our 337 RLS and our home that we love. Have a good day.